Hi guys, welcome once again to ABS Pool. I hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. Ami bishi din video update kora nai amila system olop bia huina thaise edu karone morom korna bia na pabi parodok ami video do update kori thakibo edu karone please help me also, please do subscribe and please do like and share my videos and even my channel. Thank you so much. In this video I am going to share a good news to all my subscribers and viewers. And the good news is my friend, he has recently opened a store. Aru idu store to ki laga ase ami tia kobo ami rasta de up down kora damde nulibi berai thaka damde ami bishi monduk lage na two wheelers ride kora han ge dikhise bole without helmet, without safety gears, bike cholai, scooty cholai. It is very dangerous. Apni karne bhi dangerous hai, piche de boa karne bhi dangerous hai. Idu karne safety is expensive, but it is priceless. Please safety to first concern kuribi. Bike khan amian 1 lakh eniala bike kini. Ajikali bike la man dam ho jaise 150cc ujuli bhi bike to bishi dam ho jaise ajikali. Pura 1 lakh opor ase. Holi bhi amian helmet lagoli bhi amian moon nai. Aru labore kinibuli bi mun nai enia hoile du amian life to ekdam danger de rakhi dias na itu karne morom kurina safety first rakhibi itu kobole mun ase two wheeler riders khan karne especially. Aru the good news is ami laga sati ekjon bra in Dimapur tai store ekta khulina ase aru itu store de safety gears kan pabo especially for two wheeler riders. You will get nice helmet aru nice riding jacket. Itia screen de sabi SMK la helmet we all know two visor thake aru bluetooth connectivity don bi thakebo to idwan helmet cholabi 800 700 idwan la helmet kan apni jura girina class hoise guli itubra man safety ni dibo de idu karne safety de compromise nuguribi itia helmet different colors dikhi ase apni han aru different price ase aru dusra helmets khan bi ase apni han phone kurina hudibi moila sati ge description de number thaibo to safety first concern guribi get helmets apni han poson paisi bole call guribi aru tage hudibi details kan aru avnila jaga dibi samandu pungchai dibo. And next is riding jacket ekdam bhal quality laga riding jacket ase aru with different color options kan de avnihan pabo aru level 1 level 2 full safety arm chest or backbone idwan la sob safety kan saigena riding jacket pi ase store de available ase idu karne apni han morom kurina idu han bi sabi aru poson lagise gole do contact my friend. Number will be in the description box. Riding gears laga price to ekdam high nohoy reasonable price te apni han ge product khan provide kuri dibo aru product bi genuine and good quality de pabo itu karne don't miss this opportunity. Reasonable rate te saman bhal apni han ge provide kuri dibo aru tage hudibi ki details khan apni han janibo mun jai tai bra apni han ge koi dibo contact krubi anytime whatsapp la number bi ami di dibo aru contact krubule karne bi ami number di dibo duita number rakhi dibo description box te do contact my friend enia gorna apni ki poson hoy order koribi enia hoise bole ami bi khushi pabo aru apni laga ghore families kan bhabi sabi apni rasta de two wheeler choladam de bhai bhuini dada ama baba han ge chharina apni rasta de jaina two wheeler cholai thake without any safety to bhabi sabi apni ke kibak ta hoise bole families kan kiman monduk lagibo idu karne let safety be your first concern when you start to ride your two wheeler. Do contact him, feel free to ask him anything taibra apnian ge modot kurubo apnian ge wisely choose kurubole karne hoilebi taibra apnian ge direct kurubo. So do contact my friend, number will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. May the good Lord bless each and every one of you.